गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन। इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस, ये टॉपिक हमारा रह गया था। व्हाट इज इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस बेटा? द सब्सटेंस विच हैव वेरी लो ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is a temperature at which substance catch fire. It is the lowest temperature at which substance catch fire. And inflammable substance is are those substance which has very low ignition temperature, means बहुत जल्दी जिसमें कंबसन और फायर पकड़ लेता है बेटा, उसको हम बोलते हैं इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एलपीजी, एल्कोहल, ये सब्सटेंस में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता फायर पकड़ने में, सो दीज सब्सटेंसेज आर नोन एज इनफ्लेमेबल सब्सटेंस। ये टॉपिक आपके बुक में भी दिया है बेटा, यू कैन सी फ्रॉम देयर एज वेल। Inflammable substance are those substances which have very low ignition temperature and can catch fire easily with flame, is known as inflammable substance. Now we'll see that combustible and non-combustible substance. It is also given in your textbook. So now today you have to complete your worksheet 1. So साथ में दोनों काम चलते रहेगा तो आपका काम पेंडिंग नहीं रहेगा बेटा। So whatever the topics present in worksheet 1, I have covered combustible and non-combustible substance. First we'll see the combustible substance. Okay beta, what do you mean by combustible substance? Simple, a substance that undergo combustion, means a substance which react with oxygen and produce heat and light, or you can say that a substance in which combustion process take place is known as combustible substance. I am repeating again beta, the substance which undergo means the substance which undergoes combustion, means a substance in which combustion process take place is known as combustible substance. For example beta, the substance which undergo combustion is known as combustible substance. For example kerosene, जो हमने inflammable देखा वो all are included in combustible substance. Kerosene, LPG, okay, clothes can burn also. So these are the examples of combustible substance, a substance which undergoes combustion, or you can say that a substance in which combustion process take place are known as combustible substance. Next one, non-combustible substance. Just opposite beta, combustible non-combustible substance are just opposite of combustible substance. The substance that do not catch fire on heating in air, such substances are called non-combustible substance. The substances that do not catch fire on heating or burning are known as Okay, the substances that do not catch fire on heating are known as non-combustible substance. For example, stone, sand and water. These are the non-combustible substance. Okay, so from tomorrow we will start how to control fire. Thank you beta.